Hey there, and welcome to today's Orthos Liquid Systems video chat. I'm Stuart Humphreys, Director of Filtration Technologies for Orthos. I want to give you 3 clear reasons contractors want Orthos Centurion monolithic filter underdrains on alternative delivery projects. First, installation is far less prone to construction error. Installation of the Centurion monolithic underdrain system may be performed by personnel familiar with reinforced concrete construction, which should include most general contractors. Straightforward PVC column and underdrain GRC panel formwork, along with rebar and concrete, are right down most every general contractor's alley. GRC panels may be easily cut to fit odd-sized filter geometries or out-of-square walls. In contrast, plastic block underdrains require highly experienced or expensive factory personnel for installation. On large projects, contractor crews cannot be rotated out without the new crew being well trained also. Non-structural grout and mixtures must be carefully installed in tight spaces and without cold joints, or underdrain failure is likely. Factory recommended duct tape and visqueen must be secured to prevent grout-coated boots from plugging the media retention caps. So, whether it is office equipment, a bottle of ketchup, or a filter underdrain, if it's hard to prepare for use, is it that great of a product? Point number 2, fewer concrete pours. Though H-flume filter configurations with an upper and lower gullet are becoming more prevalent, center flume or front flume configurations have been the default arrangement for many engineers designing plastic block or folded sheet metal underdrains. Disregarding the gullet, these latter 2 types of configurations require 4 separate pours to construct the filter box. In contrast, an Orthos Centurion monolithic filter underdrain requires only 2 concrete pours for the filter box because its plenum makes a flume unnecessary. This formwork, labor, and time savings pays dividends to contractors needing straightforward construction on their project. Point number 3, far less to 0 warranty issues. Startup and post-construction problems during the warranty period erase the thin margins contractors build into their bids. Installing equipment with a long history of failures unnecessarily adds risk, increases the likelihood of legal disputes, and drags out projects potentially into liquidated damages. On alternate delivery projects with at least one O, the chickens will come home to roost when installing equipment known to fail prematurely. Instead, when installed, monolithic reinforced concrete underdrains will last likely a century. In 21 years and 200 filter installations, Orthos has never once ever had a filter underdrain failure, and we want to continue this trend on your project. In summary, contractors want Orthos Centurion monolithic filter underdrains because they utilize a very standard construction method, pouring reinforced concrete, with fewer pours and likely 0 warranty issues. Orthos delivers to our contractor clients peace of mind, and we help you get off the job site and on to the next project. Please contact me or your Orthos representative for any of your filtration, contactor, or ion exchange needs. Also be sure to subscribe to the Orthos YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter, or LinkedIn me. I'm Stuart Humphreys. Talk with you again soon.